morning. Today our lesson is about mutually exclusive outcomes, part 2. Mutually exclusive mean cannot happen at the same time. So mutually exclusive events are events that cannot happen at the same time and their probability is zero. For example, getting a head and the tail at the same time when if you flip a coin, or going right and left at the same time. Let us take the first example. In a first spinner, numbered from 1 to 20, numbers are chosen from the spinner, and here are the list of outcomes. First spinner means the numbers are not repeated more than once. The first event, the number chosen is an even number. B, the number chosen is a multiple of 3. C, the multiple chosen is greater than 15. D, the number chosen has at least one 4. E, the number chosen is a factor of 10. And they are asking state whether the outcomes in each pair are mutually exclusive or not. And we have these events. First of all, we have to check what are the possible outcomes for each event. For event A, the number chosen is an even number. We can say that the possible outcomes are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. For event B, the number chosen is a multiple of 3. Multiple of 3 means we can starting multiplying 3 by 1, 3, 3 by 2, 6, and so on. So the possible outcomes are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and 18. The number chosen is greater than 15, so we're gonna start 16 and above. The possible outcomes are 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. The number chosen has at least one 4. Means if it's a one-digit number, it could be 4. If it's two-digit number, it can at least has one 4 or two 4s, and so on. So the possible outcomes are 1 and 14. We cannot take 24 because 24 is greater than 20. But if you have a number till 100, you can say that it's 4, 14, 24, 34, 40 till 49, and then 54, 64, 74, 84, 94, and like this. The number chosen is a factor of 10. Factor of 10 means what you are multiplying by each self to get 10. We know that 1 times 10 and 2 times 5. So the possible outcomes are 1, 2, 5, and 10. Now let us check in case two events A and B are mutually exclusive or not. Mutually exclusive means they don't have any common number between them. A and B, if we look, we can see that we have 6 in common, and 12 also in common, and 18 in common. So the answer is no. A and C, we can see that we have 16 in common, 18 and 20. So the answer is also no, not mutually exclusive. B and C, we can see that we have 18 in common. So the answer is also no. B and E, we can see that we don't have any common number. So the answer is yes. D and E, we also can see that we cannot have any common possible outcome. So the answer is yes. C and E, we don't have also any possible or common outcomes. We saw the answer, they are mutually exclusive. A and D, no. B and D, we will check and we can see that also they don't have any common possible event. So the answer is yes. A and E, we can see that 2 and 10, they are common. So the answer, they are not mutually exclusive. Now our example contains shapes. In a bag there are 6 shapes. We have circles, squares, and triangles, and we have a blue color and green color. Shapes are chosen from the bag, and here are the list of outcomes. A, the shape chosen is a square. B, the shape chosen is blue. C, the shape chosen is green. D, the shape chosen is a triangle. E, the shape chosen is a circle. The question is, state whether the outcomes in each pair are mutually exclusive or not. And we have these pairs of events. So first of all, we have to check and list all the possible outcomes for each event. For event A, we have to get square. We have actually two squares, one blue and one green. The shape chosen is blue. We have three blue shapes: circle, square, and triangle. The shape chosen is green. Also, we have three shapes: circle, square, and triangle. The shape chosen is a triangle. We have two triangles, one blue and one green. The shape chosen is a circle. Actually, also we have two circles, one blue and one green. Now, let us check in case each pair of events are mutually exclusive or no. A and B. If you look at A and B, we can see that the blue square is common between them. So the answer is no. A and C, we have also a green square common between them. So the answer is also no. B and C, we don't have actually common between them because one is green and one is blue. So the answer is yes. For B and E, we have common circle, which is the blue circle, so the answer is no. D and E, we don't have any common shape between them, so the answer is yes. C and E, we have common green circle between them, so the answer is no. A and D, we don't have any common shape, so the answer is yes. B and D, we have common blue triangle between them, so the answer is no. A and E, we don't have any common shape between them, so the answer is yes. Maya has 3 coins, 20 fils, 50 fils, and 1 dirham. List all the possible outcomes if she takes out 2 coins only. Here it's better to do a table. So she has to choose 2 coins. First coin, second coin, and then check her total. So if she took 25 fils and 50 fils, so the sum will be 75 fils. 25 fils and 1 dirham, the sum will be 1.25 dirhams. And if she takes 50 fils and 1 dirham, so the sum will be 1.50 dirhams. So the possible outcomes here, either 75, 1.25, or 1.50. Which is more likely here? That she has more than 1 dirham or less than 1 dirham. So if we look at the possible outcomes, we can see 2 out of 3 possible outcomes are more than 1 dirham. So we can say that it's more likely to have more than 1 dirham with her. So today's lesson was about mutually exclusive events, part 2. And to check, you have first to find all the possible outcomes and then check if there is at least one common outcome or more, then the events are not mutually exclusive. If there is no common outcome, then the events are mutually exclusive. Thank you very much for listening.